What if I were to tell you that today, as a small to medium-sized business or nonprofit, you could have your very own IT department without incurring additional costs? For example, new employee benefits, supplies, an office, his or her salary, the list goes on. With our predictable, all-inclusive, flat monthly rate, you can have your very own IT department, monitoring your IT environment 24/7. This reduces your overall costs and removes the stress of managing your IT, allowing you the freedom to focus on other areas of your business that are probably a little bit more exciting than IT. With a managed IT department, this can be your new reality. Give us a call at 866-487-7671 or visit us online at itprosmanagement.com.